In this video, I will show you how to set reminders in Slack. So let's get started. First, open Slack and look at the left-hand side of your screen. Under the Apps section, you will find Slackbot. This is where you can create simple automated reminders for yourself or your team. To set a reminder, you need to use a / command. In the message box, type /remind, and Slack will show you the correct format, which includes who the reminder is for, what the reminder is about, and when it should happen. Now let's create one. For example, you can type, "Remind me to send files to the boss on the marketing team tomorrow at 8:00 AM." After you send it, Slack will confirm your reminder and show a message saying it has been scheduled. Once it's set, you will receive a notification at the exact time, whether you are online or offline. It will appear directly in Slack or as a push notification if your alerts are enabled. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.